What's up, fellow pyros? Little 2019 Firework Stash preview of what we got going on here. I'm going to take you through here if I could get through. This is 200 gram, 500 gram zippers, strobes, neon traces. Sneak preview towards the finale. Okay, we got Sky Fellows down here with the recoil, crackling skulls, Black Thunder. We got 500 grams. We got 3-inchers. Everything in here is pre-wired. Fountains, comets, mines, fans. This is my little nephew Rocco. He helped me fuse that one for the mortars before he left. He'll be back for the 4th of July. The zippers, tannerite. We got these cakes here, but when we come down to here, that's 100 shots. That does need 15 seconds. Okay. Then we got these fans that were handmade in Wisconsin. Beautiful job here. Everything that you see is going to be shot on the Cobra system. But guys, I gotta tell you, Cobra system kicks ass. Okay. Everything here is going to be shot on the Cobra system, which is actually going to be where the remote connects to that template right there, which is a good size template. So when I do the show, I can sit behind the audience, watch what the audience does with everything that's going on. Look at that. My wife says I have an issue. I don't think I do. But I know I need a bigger garage. That's for shit sure. When I am trying to figure out how to put this together and fuse it, I'm gonna look just like this guy on this cake right here. Now, everything here is made possible by Pyro Magic. Christian was my